Hi, this is Joachim, and I'm going to show you a couple of nifty things you can do when you're generating plugins with Module Builder. So when you make a custom plugin, sometimes you just want to do something slightly different to an existing plugin. And in that case, it makes sense to inherit from that plugin's class. And Module Builder lets you do this. So I've already created my custom module in the Module Builder admin UI. It's called My Plugins, and I'm on the Plugins tab here, and I'm going to add an annotated class plugin. So I'm going to add a field type plugin, and I'm going to call it Hex. And there's a new option here which allows me to inherit from an existing plugin. So inherit from the integer field type plugin. And the second thing that you might want to do is completely replace an existing plugin with your own implementation. And that's something that the plugin system allows with the alter hook. And again, Module Builder can help you do this. So let's suppose I want to change a field formatter. I'm going to change the number decimal field formatter to my own. And there's an option there to replace it. So I still need to give a plugin ID because Module Builder will use that to generate the class name. So let's call it my decimal instead. And that's everything we need. Let's now save and generate the code. So we can see the basic elements of our module. We've got the info file. We've got the module code with the alter hook here. So this implements the correct hook for field formatter plugins, hook field formatter info alter. It overrides the number decimal plugin, changes the class to our own class here. And here's the class. We've got the comment, the doc block on the class that tells us what this is doing. Note it doesn't have an annotation because it's not actually a plugin itself. It is replacing an existing plugin class. And that has the various methods that you can start customizing. And here's the other one that is a custom plugin. And what we're doing here is we're extending the integer item plugin. So again, we inherit the behavior of that plugin to make a new plugin. Here's your standard warning that plugin classes are considered internal in Drupal core and in Contrib as well. So when you do this sort of thing in custom code, you do have a maintenance burden to check when new versions come out that there aren't any changes. The other thing when we inherit a class is that it takes into account the services that the parent class injects when you inject some of your own. So let's go back to the plugins tab and now inject some services. Now I don't know offhand which services this injects, so this could be interesting. Let's inject the comment link builder, why not? And see what happens there. And here we'll inject something from the entity system. We'll inject the current route match. These aren't services you would typically inject into a plugin. But this is just for demonstration. Let's go to the generate code. And we will see now that we have the code for dependency injection. And that knows the correct parameters to pass up to the parent and adds that one there for the route match and sets it. Let's look at the other class. And same here. Unfortunately, it looks like neither of these plugins had their own injected services, which is what I was hoping to demonstrate. But if they had, the construction, the create method would be aware of that, and they would take care of passing them up to the parent class. And that's that. I've been Joachim. This has been Module Builder. Thanks for watching.